sa bench.
Naka-Warlex na naka-play safe sa Galaban. Dahil nilang shoes mo.
Jump ball between Rovelo and Maniago. Maniago. Pass to Daria. Daria pass to Villasana. Villasana, no good. Turnover. Inbound by Labaro, pass to Redensia. Pass to Gomez. Oras by Mojica. Foul. Mojica. First personal foul. First team foul. Inbound by Chip. Pass to Abunjo. Reynancia. Oras by Mojica. Reynancia. Pass to Labaro. Nakuha ni Labaro, pass to Reynancia. Last 3 minutes and 28 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Labaro, sa palpal ni Maniago. Nakuha ni Labaro. Pass to Reynancia. Reynancia, no good. Rebound by Maniago. Pass to Daria. Pass to Mansilla. Pass to Mojica. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Mojica. Pass to Maniago. Maniago nabitawan ang bola. Nakuha ni Daria. Pass to Mansilla. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Gomez. Pass to Reynancia. Reynancia. Good for 2 points. Reynancia. Daria. Pass to. Nakuha ni Reynancia. Reynancia jump. No good. Rebound by. Nagagawan. Jump ball. Save ball. Labaro. Pass to Labaro. Turnover. Inbound by Daria. Pass to Mojica. Mojica nagmamagalit. Mojica, no good. Rebound by Labaro. Jump ball. Same ball. Same ball rep.
Dito. Undecided ang bola.
Inbound by Daria. Pass to kakalaban ng Reynancia. Reynancia as by Mojica. Reynancia umikot. Pinasa kay Gomez. Gomez. Foul. Daria. First person foul. Second team foul. Last 2 minutes and 23 seconds. 2-0. Ipon by Rovelo. Pass to Gomez. Gomez tinira sa 3. Sobra. Turnover. Inbound by Maniago. Pass to Mansilla. Mansilla, pass to Daria. Daria, foul. Rovelo. First personal foul. First team foul. Inbound by Maniago. Pass to Mansilla. Pass to Mojica. Mojica, pass to Daria. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mansilla. Mansilla sa 3. Mansilla, 3 points. Inbound by Rovelo. Pass to Labaro. Pass to Gomez. That's 1 minute and 53 seconds. Gomez, pass to Reynancia. Reynancia nag-split. Nag-step back sa 3. Reynancia, 3 points. Inbound by Mansilla. Pass to Mojica. 5-3. Basketballeros. Mojica haras by Gomez. Mojica, pass to Mansilla. Mansilla umikot ng bitang bola. Foul. Labaro, jersey number 8. First person foul, second team foul.
Kabuto. Putol, ACL. Ay, hayop na yan, mga kainit.
Apelyido mo. Balanes.
Nakatest pa naman, tapos
13 seconds to shoot. Inbound by Maniago. Pass to Mojica. Mojica na bitawan ng bola. Turnover. Inbound by Navarro. Pass to Reynancia. Reynancia harus by Mojica. Pass to Gomez. Gomez harus by Villasana. Gomez. Gomez again. No good. Inbound by Daria. Pass to Mojica. That's 1 minute and 10 seconds. Villasana na bitawan ng bola. Nakuha Navarro. Nakuha ni Villasana. Villasana harus by Reynancia. Pass to Gomez. Gomez tumitipan. No good. Rebound by Mojica.
nice one.
Mojica. Diretso. Good for 2 points. Mojica. Deadlock sa 5. Reynancia. Pass to Gomez. Gomez again. No good. Gomez again. Good for 2 points. Gomez. Rebound by Daria. Pass to Mojica. Last 32 seconds. Pass to Daria. Pass to Mojica. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Maniago sobra. Rebound by Obrero. Pinasa kay Maniago. Maniago. Good for 2 points. Maniago. Rebound by Reynancia. Pass to Navarro. Back to Reynancia. Last 10 seconds. Turnover. Last 8 seconds.
Seconds. Nag-aaral sa kabarkadan. Nag-aaral sa kabarkadan.
Last 5 seconds. Mojica. Maniago. No good. End of the first quarter. Hindi pa ito tambayan ng mga players. Inbound by Reynancia. Pass to Gomez. Back to Reynancia. Nagkaroon ng papasan. Pinasa kay Andoy Garcia. Pinira Kapur. Bakit mo po pinira? Inbound by Maniago. Pass to Mojica. Pass to Villasana. Villasana nakasot. Floater no good. Rebound by Singbol. Inbound by Garcia. Pass to Reynancia. Last 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Reynancia harus by Mojica. Pass to Gomez. Gomez tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by nakuha ni Garcia. Pass to Reynancia. Reynancia sa 3. No good. Nakuha ni Daria. Pass to Mojica. Harus by Reynancia. Pass to Villasana. Villasana. No good. Nakuha ni Balane. Balane. Good for 2 points. Balane. Inbound by Garcia. Pinasas sa pader. Turnover. Last 3 minutes and 6 seconds. 7-9. Undecided. Inbound by Daria. Pass to Mojica. Back to Daria. Same ball. Inbound by Daria. Pass to Mojica. Mojica. Pass to Villasana. Pass by Boral. Pass to Balane. Balane nag-straight. Tinira. No good. Rebound by Gomez. Gomez. Nag-bend the back. Nakuha ni Maniago. Maniago. Good for 2 points. Maniago. Inbound by Gomez. Pass to Boral. Pass to Reynancia. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Reynancia umikot. Naagani. Foul. Reynancia. First person foul. First team foul. Rebound by Daria, pass to Mojica. Mojica haras by Gomez. Pass to Balane. Balane tinira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Reynancia. Reynancia haras by Balane. Reynancia to Gomez. Gomez ay lalim. No good. Nakuha ni Boran. Boran pass to Gomez. Tinira ng 3. Gomez. 3 points. Daria, pass to Mojica. Mojica, pinira. Good for 2 points. Mojica, inbound by Boran, pass to Garcia, pass to Gomez. 13-10, undecided. Gomez nakalas, iniwan kayo. Nakuha ni Daria, pass to Mojica. Mojica, nakamadali, no good.
Uy!
Same ball. 30 seconds. Mojica. To Daria, back to Mojica. Mojica. Pinira, foul. Counted foul. Jersey number 13. Porcino. First personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot for Mojica. No good. Go by foul, Daria. Second personal foul, first team foul. Involved by Porcino. Pastor Reynancia. Reynancia naghanap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay Gomez. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Foul! Mancilia. First person foul. Second team foul. And Gomez on the free throw shot. Good for 1 point. Gomez. Another free throw line.
Pasaway ka!
No good. Nakulit ni Gomez. Gomez! Foul again. Jersey number 3, Mancilia. Second personal foul. Third team foul. DC ang jersey. Gomez. First shot. No good. Second and last throw by Gomez. Jumper ready.
Alvarez na lang mga patay sa ano.
Pangit.
Nagawa na yung ano yung...
No good again. Nakuha ni. Turnover. Mojica, may dala na balag. Nabitawan.
Taas ni...
Pintas mo ba yung game? Mancilia, paso Mojica, paso Villasana. Villasana, nagbibigay. Nabitawan na kaning Daria. Daria sa ilalim. Bota! Traveling. Last 1 minute. Time out! Inbound by Boral. Pass to Gomez. Gomez. Foul. Jersey number 8. Roberts. First person foul. Warning for penalty. 2 shots awarded to Gomez. First shot. Good for 1 point. No good. Rebound by turnover. Inbound by Roberts. Pass to Mojica. Mojica harap may Renancia, pass to Mansilla, back to Mojica. Mojica, pinasa sa ilalim. Nabitawan ang bola, nakuha ni Corsino, pass to Renancia. Last 38 seconds. Renancia sa 3. Renancia, 3 points. 3 points na yan, ihatid sa inyo ng Baygon Katol. Villasana sa 3, no good. Turnover. Last 20 seconds. Deadlock sa 15.
Last shot.
Renancia. Pass to Gomez, umikot. Nabitawan ng bolas. Same ball.
Last shot na lang yan.
Last 11.4. Inbound by Corsino. Pass to. Nabitawan. Nakonvinta na. Last 5 seconds. Villasana. No good. Mojica. No good. Last 3 seconds. Pasa na lang. And inbound by Villasana. Pass to Mansilla. Back to Villasana. Villasana. Turnover. Inbound by Renancia. Pass to Boral. Back to Renancia. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Ilalim, Labaro, jersey number 24. 2 points. Mansilla, team favor. 17-15. Gomez, good for 2 points. Gomez. Mansilla, last 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Naago ulit ni Gomez. Gomez, to Renancia, no good. Gomez, no good. Nakuha ni jersey number 28, foul, Renancia. Renancia, second person foul. First team foul. Time out. Inbound by Balane. Pass to Mojica. Pass to Mansilla. Back to Balane. Balane, pass to Mansilla. Mansilla. Foul. Jersey number 12. Boral. First person foul. Second team foul. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Mansilla on the free throw shot. No good. Second and last throw by Mansilla. Good for 1 point. Last 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Renancia. Harap by Mojica. Pass to Gomez. Last 12 seconds to shoot. Gomez. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Gomez. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Renancia sa 3. Renancia. 3 points. Mansilla, pass to Mojica. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Daria, pass to Mojica. 22-16. Mojica, no good. Roberts, no good. Napoli, Labaro, jersey number 24. Pass to Gomez. Last 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Gomez, haras by Balane. Haras by Mansilla and Mojica. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Labaro, 2 points. Daria, pass. Jersey number 24. Daria, pass to Mojica. Last 1 minute and 57 seconds. Mansilla, foul. 12, Boral. Second person foul. Third team foul. Last 1 minute and 56 seconds. Mansilla on the free throw line. Good for 1 point. Last throw by Mansilla. No good. Rebound by Mancilla. Lavaro. Pass to Reynancia. Reynancia naghanap ng papuntat. Pinasa kay Gomez. Last 15-42. Nabigaw ng bola. Nakuha ni Mancilla. Pass to Mojica. Mojica. Pass to Roberts. To Mancilla. Mancilla. Good for 2 points. Mancilla. Rebound by Lavaro to Reynancia. Shout out kay Ate May na nagkakataho. Last 12 seconds to shoot. Reynancia, pass to Lavaro sa ilalim, no good. Lavaro again, Lavaro, no good. No good. Borral, Lavaro, nakuha ni Roberts. Last 1 minute and 9 seconds. Mojica nagmamadali. Is a good for 2 points. Mojica. 24-21, tatlo na lang kalamangan ng basketballeros. Borral, para sa Balane, nagkaroon ng patasan. Nakuha ni Mojica, nagmadali, no good. Rebound by Borral, paso Reynancia. Reynancia, nabitawan ng bala, turnover. Sabet, Borral out, Bahir in. Sabet, Daria out. Pinto in. Last 48 seconds. Inbound by Roberts. Pass to Mancilla. Pass to Balay. Nabitawan ng bola. Turnover. Last 44.2 seconds. Inbound by pass to Reynancia. Pass to Balay. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Naagaw ni Mancilla, pass to Mojica. Naagaw ni Lavaro. Traveling violation. Last 28 seconds. Inbound by Mancilla, pass to Mojica. 24-21, back to Mancilla. Mancilla, pass to Balane. Balane, tinira, no good. Rebound by Bae. Last 15 seconds. Naagaw ni Roberts. Roberts umigot, no good. Nakuha ni same ball. Last 11 seconds. Balane inbounding. Pass to Servito, jump. Good for 2 points, Servito. Last 5 seconds. Isa na lang kalamangan. Basket na lang. No good. End of the quarter. Inbound by Reynancia. Ipapasa kay Gomez. 24-23. Isa lang ang kalamangan. Basketballero. Loose ball. Inbound by
Atras.
pinasa kay Reynancia. Good for 2 points. Reynancia. Inbound by Roberts. Pass to Mancilla. 26-23. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Mojica, pass to Villasana. Villasana tumira ng 3. Villasana. 3 points. Deadlock sa 26. Last 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Gomez, tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha
Palaugo rin si Bae na yung ng
turnover. Inbound by Mancilla. Pass to Mojica. Pass to Villasana. Villasana to Robert. Robert Pineda. Robert. 2 points. Change favor. Undecided. Gomez. Pineda. Foul. Timeout. 26.
Walang yan.
Gomez on the free throw line. Good for 1 point. No good. Another 2 shots. Good for 1 point, Gomez.
Sa fast break ka, sa fast break.
Last throw by Gomez. No good. Nakuha ni Renancia.
Hey!
Last 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Renancia no good. Bae. Good for 2 points. Bae. Inbound by Servito. Pastugan Silya.
Highlights, may highlights na.
Deadlock sa 28.
Hey, tapon!
Marcelo.
Wow.
Sabi mo day tao. Sabi mo day tao. Makapatawa ko na kayo.
Mansilla on the free throw line. No good. Who's on rep?
Ano, pitch? Pitch, atras ka.
Covelo, second person foul. First team foul. Renancia. Pass to Gomez. Gomez. Good for 2 points. Gomez. 31-28. Mojica harassed by Gomez. Just 1 minute. Foul. Down. Gomez. First person foul. Second team foul. Last 1 minute and 54 seconds. Inbound by Mansilla. Pass to Villasana jump. No good. Bye. Pinasa kay Mojica. Nabitawan ng bola na ang ibay. Labaro, pass to Gomez. Good for 2 points. Gomez. Inbound by Mansilla. Pass to Villasana.
Nice one dyan, dyan.
Nakagaw ni Mansilla. Mansilla, that's 1 minute and 30 seconds. Robert, good for 2 points, Robert. That's 1 minute and 27 seconds. Gomez, harassed by Robert.
Bola, Jing!
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Gomez, I left to Bae. Good for 2 points. Bae. Warning technical, Rovelo. Inbound by Mansilla, last 1 minute and 11 seconds. To Mojica. 35-30. Turnover. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. 24 pa ang shot clock. 35-30. Renancia, pinasa kay Gomez, harap na Villasana. Gomez, foul. Mansilla. Third person foul, second team foul. Gomez, good for 1 point. Gomez. Last throw.
Naira.
Complete 2 points for Gomez. 37-30. Last 53 seconds. Villasana sa 3. No good. Labaro. Pasa Renancia. 45 seconds.
Joras.
15 seconds to shoot. Labaro sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by nakuha ni Servito. Last 28 seconds. Villasana, good for 2 points. Villasana. Rebound by Renancia. Last 25 seconds. Pas Renancia, may hawak ng bola. Last 18 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Gomez. 5 seconds to shoot. Good for 2 points. Gomez. And off the ball game. Official score 39-32. Winner, Basketball Lero.